Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly groundbreaking, a vehicle that's got the automotive world buzzing with excitement. We're talking about the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora Pickup, a bold fusion of Corvette performance and pickup utility that's redefining what a performance truck can be. Chevrolet has taken the iconic Corvette name and slapped it onto a pickup, and trust me, this isn't just a gimmick. It's a game changer. So, buckle up, because we're going to take a deep dive into every aspect of this beast, its exterior, interior, performance, pricing, and some thoughts on whether it's worth your attention. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the exterior, starting with the front. The Zora Pickup greets you with an aggressive, low-slung face that screams Corvette DNA. The sharp, angular headlights are full LED, giving it a futuristic vibe while maintaining that signature Corvette squint. The grille is minimal, designed more for aerodynamics than airflow, with sleek air vents channeling air to cool the massive powertrain we'll talk about later. A prominent front splitter, made of lightweight carbon fiber, hugs the ground, hinting at the track-ready performance this pickup promises. The hood features an S-shaped duct, not just for style, but to funnel air to the engine, enhancing cooling and downforce. It's a front end that looks ready to devour the road, blending the sleekness of a supercar with the rugged stance of a truck. Moving to the side profile, this is where the Zora Pickup really starts to flex its unique identity. The silhouette is unmistakably Corvette-inspired, with a low, mid-engine-like cab that flows into a short, sculpted bed. The wheelbase is longer than a standard Corvette to accommodate the pickup bed, but it still maintains that athletic, crouched stance. Massive 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires fill out the wheel wells, giving it a planted look. The side air inlets just behind the doors are massive and functional, feeding air to the rear-mounted engine and brakes. You'll also notice subtle Zora badging along the rocker panels, a nod to the legendary Corvette engineer Zora Arkus Duntov. The cab's roofline tapers slightly, and the side mirrors are sleek, aerodynamic units with integrated turn signals. It's a design that balances utility with the kind of style you'd expect from a high-performance sports car. Now, let's check out the rear. The back of the Zora Pickup is where things get really wild. The tailgate is embossed with bold Corvette lettering, and the quad exhaust tips, positioned centrally, let out a roar that's pure V8 thunder. A massive carbon fiber rear wing is available with the ZTK Performance Package, generating up to 1,200 pounds of downforce at high speeds. The taillights are slim, LED units that wrap around the corners, giving it a modern, aggressive look. The bed itself is compact but functional, with a carbon fiber-lined interior and tie-down points for securing gear. You've got a rear trunk area for additional storage, and the tailgate features an active spoiler system that adjusts based on speed to optimize aerodynamics. It's a rear end that's as practical as it is intimidating, perfectly blending the worlds of pickup utility and hypercar flair. Stepping inside the cabin, the Zora Pickup feels like a cockpit straight out of a fighter jet. Chevrolet has ditched the controversial wall of buttons from earlier C8 Corvettes, creating a more open, driver-focused interior. The centerpiece is a massive 12.7-inch center touchscreen, slightly angled toward the driver for easy access. It's paired with a 14-inch digital driver display and a new 6.6-inch auxiliary touchscreen for track-focused features like launch control and G-force readouts. The materials are top-notch soft-touch leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents give it a premium, almost bespoke feel. The racing-inspired bucket seats are power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated, with aggressive bolstering to keep you planted during hard cornering. You can opt for unique color schemes like asymmetric adrenaline red, where the driver's seat is red and the passenger's is black with red stitching, or a striking Santorini blue with carbon fiber touch panels. The steering wheel is a flat-top, flat-bottom design with Zora badging, and paddle shifters for the transmission are right at your fingertips. Storage is surprisingly practical, with a front trunk or frunk and the rear bed offering enough space for weekend luggage or even a set of golf clubs. The cabin is tech-heavy with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 14-speaker Bose stereo that makes every drive an event. It's a luxurious, performance-oriented space that feels every bit as special as the exterior promises. Now, let's get to the heart of the Zora Pickup, its performance. Under the hood, or rather, behind the cab, is a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine, the same LT7 power plant found in the Corvette ZR1, pumping out 1,064 horsepower and 828 pounds-ft of torque. But Chevrolet didn't stop there. They've paired it with an upgraded version of the E-Race hybrid system, adding an electric motor on the front axle that contributes an additional 186 horsepower and 145 pounds-ft of torque. The result? A jaw-dropping 1,250 horsepower, making this the most powerful production Corvette ever. This hybrid setup also gives the Zora Pickup all-wheel drive, a first for any Corvette, ensuring incredible grip and stability. The power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts that make manual gearboxes feel obsolete. Chevrolet claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in under 2 seconds, with a quarter-mile time of less than 9 seconds at over 150 miles per hour. Top speed? North of 233 miles per hour. Depending on the aero package. The Zora Pickup isn't just about straight-line speed though. It's built to handle like a supercar. The adaptive magnetic ride control suspension adjusts in real time, reading the road every millisecond to keep the ride composed, whether you're on a track or a back road. The ZTK Performance Package adds stiffer springs and Michelin Cup 2R tires for even sharper handling. Stopping power comes from massive 16.5-inch carbon ceramic brakes with 10-piston front and 6-piston rear Alcon calipers, capable of 1.9 grams of deceleration from 180 miles per hour. The all-wheel drive system includes torque vectoring for precise cornering, and a new PTM Pro mode tweaks traction and stability control for track driving, while keeping regenerative braking and launch control active. You can even engage stealth mode, which lets you drive on electric power alone for 4 to 5 miles at speeds up to 45 miles per hour, perfect for sneaking out of the driveway without waking the neighbors. This thing is a technological marvel, blending raw power with cutting-edge engineering to deliver hypercar performance in a pickup package. So, what about pricing? Well, Chevrolet hasn't dropped the exact numbers yet, but we can make some educated guesses based on the Corvette lineup. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 starts at around $175,000, and the hybrid ZR1X, which shares much of the Zora Pickup's powertrain, is estimated to start between $190,000 and $200,000. Given the Zora Pickup's unique body style and added utility, expect a starting price around $220,000. With fully loaded models, think ZTK Performance Package, carbon fiber wheels, and premium interior options pushing closer to $300,000. That's a lot for a Chevy, no doubt, but when you consider that it rivals hypercars like the Ferrari F80 or McLaren W1, which cost millions, it's a relative bargain. The question is whether buyers will stomach a $200,000 plus price tag for a Corvette branded pickup. Even one with this level of performance. Now, let's talk suggestions. Who is the Zora Pickup for? If you're a Corvette enthusiast who's always dreamed of a truck with supercar soul, this is your unicorn. It's perfect for someone who wants to stand out at car shows, dominate at the drag strip, and still haul a dirt bike or some camping gear on the weekend. The hybrid all-wheel drive system makes it surprisingly versatile, capable of tackling everything from track days to light off-road duties. However, if you're looking for a traditional work truck, this isn't it. The bed is small, and the fuel economy, even with hybrid assist, won't be kind to your wallet. I'd recommend springing for the ZTK Performance Package if you plan to hit the track, as the added downforce and grippier tires unlock the full potential of that 1,250 horsepower powertrain. Also, consider the convertible option for open air cruising. It's a rare feature in the performance truck world. On the flip side, if you're not ready to drop hypercar money or don't need the utility of a pickup, the standard Corvette ZR1 or ZR1X might give you most of the same thrills for less cash. Alright, let's wrap this up. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora Pickup is nothing short of a revolution. It takes the Corvette's legacy of performance and fuses it with the practicality of a pickup, creating a vehicle that's as thrilling as it is unexpected. From its jaw-dropping exterior to its high-tech, luxurious interior and a powertrain that puts million-dollar hypercars on notice, this is a truck that defies convention. Sure, the price is steep, and it's not going to replace your F-150 for hauling lumber, but for those who want the ultimate blend of style, speed, and utility, the Zora Pickup is in a league of its own. It's a bold statement from Chevrolet, proving they're not afraid to push boundaries and redefine what a performance vehicle can be. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the 2026 Corvette Zora Pickup. If you're as excited about this, just as I am, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what you think. Would you rock a Corvette pickup? Or is this just too wild for you? Until next time, Key.